Hey, how's it going? I just wanted to do a quick review of the Springfield XD optic mounting plate. It's compatible with the Burst Fastfire 3, the Vortex Venom, the Vortex Viper, and other like optics. This cost me $29 on Amazon. It didn't include any tools, but the tools you'll need to install it are an Allen key that is, I can't tell what size it is because it's not on there, but it's a small one. And number two, Phillips, and some blue thread locker or removable thread locker. The installation was not straightforward at all. The piece that goes in where your rear sight used to go did not fit at all, so I had to grind it down to get it to fit, which wasn't a big deal to me, but not everyone's comfortable with that. The fit of the top plate itself, however, was great. If I could get the camera to focus. There we go. So I'm pretty happy with that. That doesn't look too terrible. But basically, you just grind down your rear sight slidey piece, tap it in, put some thread locker on, screw the top on, and then get yourself an optic and put it on there.